Sabia que ia enfrentar um adversário dificílimo, que ia marcar bem sob pressão, principalmente pelo fato da gente jogar 3 dias antes, né?
Our team knew that we were going to face some team, very hard team that would press us a lot. No, even why? Because we were playing just 3 days ago. We had a game, so they knew it. So we were expecting a tough game.
Mas mesmo assim a equipe resistiu bem. Só que a gente voltou para o segundo tempo com uma vantagem, e com a bola dominada a gente perdeu uma bola e facilitou o gol deles. Talvez viessem para o segundo tempo com outro tipo de estratégia, perdendo e fazer um gol logo de cara. Então, isso foi fundamental na mudança de todo o jogo.
Even with we played very nice the first half, and in the second half we had the advantage to be in front of 1-0, but unfortunately we got scored just right in the kickoff, just the first minute maybe. So it changed their strategy. Maybe they would come to the game with one strategy. As this game came, this goal came, so they changed their strategy, and they were unlucky with their game and won the match.
Jogo igual, poucas chances de ambos os lados e eles foram felizes numa jogada individual, acabaram decidindo o jogo.
I can see that it was an equal game with few opportunities. They had this great chance individually with the skill of that play, and had this luck, and they scored and they won the match.